Hey everyone, welcome to the wild side of dining here in Grapevine, Texas, at the Rainforest Cafe. Step into a lush jungle where animatronic animals, cascading waterfalls, and simulated thunderstorms set the stage for an unforgettable meal. We are diving into some tasty bites, from juicy burgers to tropical treats, all served in a vibrant, family-friendly atmosphere. If you're looking for a dining adventure that's as much fun as it is delicious, the Rainforest Cafe is the place to be. Don't forget to be adventurous. Let's go. Like and subscribe.